Hey everyone, my peace, love, and happiness seekers. It's Ingrid here from wellness2go.ca, and we are going to continue our lymph drainage massage education with my new favorite tool. Yay! We stopped the neck, top of the chest, and so we're going to pick up from there. We're going to start with the neck area. We can turn to the side if you want, whatever feels comfortable, but we're starting at the side of the neck, focused on the throat, and then going into the collarbone. I'm really comfortable from a shiatsu therapist standpoint with working on bone, light pressure, not hard, but very, very light pressure to move the lymph fluid. And then we're come a little bit more into the chest, the intercostal spaces in here, right? But the subclavian vein, that's where we're focused. This is such an amazing routine for your body. So I help professionals who are tired of starting over with their health because stress and nervous system overload keep getting in the way of consistency, right? So lymph drainage for the body, that's what we're talking about today. I do this at least 3 to 4 times a week in the shower. That's, for me, it's just quick and done. And I'm sure at some point you're going to have a shower, right? Within a week, you're going to be having a shower. So to me, I always kind of say, just make it very easy within your routine. Don't make it a chore. Make it simple. Keep it simple. Your lifestyle, health as a lifestyle. That's my big theme that I'm talking about for 2026. And yes, so we started neck, collarbone, and then we're into the chest. Now, how do we do the arm? I'm going to move back just a little bit so with the lymph, there's no pump. So we're helping the lymph system to move along. Move the arm. The movement is going upwards towards the chest. Everything is upwards towards the chest, right? Folding the arms or crossing the arms, bringing it across like this is also an easy way to do this process. Can I keep moving back until I'm in the camera? So like this, and then moving up. We have the inner part of the arm, okay, a little bit outstretched like that. And then I find to do the back, it's easy if it's folded, all right? So just like that in order to access the back of the arm. Now with the underarms, you can do just have the arms in this angle if it's comfortable, whatever is comfortable for you, and you're just sweeping it in towards the chest. So everything ends up right in the subclavian veins, right? You can do circles in the underarm if you choose to, but the main thing is lymphatic health, your immune system health, circulation, just everything and anything that helps to improve the circulation will help with oxygenating the body, helping with nutrients, helping your body to hydrate itself properly. So movement. That's the key thing from Chinese medicine standpoint. Stagnation is disease, it's inflammation, it's not what we want. We don't want stagnation. We want movement. So the next part that we're going to focus on is the abdominal. So this is my right, your left. So you're going to focus on the right side of the body. And this is the movement. We come across, so below the belly button, we come up the right to the top and go down the left. All right. So it's across, come up the right, across the top, and down the left. So that is a circular motion for an abdominal massage, just following the actual sequence of the colon itself, right? I mean, sometimes I do play around. Jeez, I can't talk today. And I kind of just do this, which is also very helpful in terms of movement, and give the opportunity, like, for you to give a nice hara massage. So we can press a little bit, right? I'm just adding a little extra. Not needed, but you know, again, just educating on the benefits of the drainage, right? So I'm focused on one side of the body. Of course, we go over here, just remembering to do the other arm, right? And then you come to the abdominals. Only suggestions. You can do it in any routine that you want, any manner that you want. Everything is going to be fine. So now we're over to the legs. And for me, when I come to the legs, I like to do the thighs. I like to do the thighs first. And so whether you start with the inner part of the thigh, outer part, external, okay, moving as much as I can so it's on camera. Okay, top of the thigh muscle, right? And then we're looking at, coming up the side, and then the back of the thighs. So I focus on thighs, 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 and then I go to the lower part of my leg, come up the inner part, and the outer. Actually, I'm gonna have to do it a little higher. So like this, drawing it up. Drawing it up so you can see. And I just found all of this extremely, extremely helpful. Let me hold so I can actually lift my leg. Very, very helpful in terms of not just for circulation, but just the overall health of the skin. I'm gonna sit down again. The overall health of the skin in terms of making sure that the body is, there's lots of movement for blood and lymph fluid. It adds to the quality of the skin. It adds to how hydrated your skin is. It adds to the health of the skin. And the skin in and of itself, this is why it's also important to me to share this. The skin is an organ all by itself. So for as much as we're focused on the lymph drainage and we're doing whatever we need to do to help the lymph move along, we're also helping the organ of the skin to be able to get healthy at the same time, or even to stay healthy, or to maintain the health of the skin in like the overall bigger picture, right? I think the important thing is that even if you don't have, 5-10 minutes a day, the 1 or 2 minutes to just do a drainage on the body is better than nothing. Anything to assist your lymphatic system to move along, anything to help your immune system to get stronger is going to be extremely beneficial in the immediate moment and even in your long-term health. So again, Ingrid here from wellness2go.ca. If you're enjoying this content, please please subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you soon. Easy peasy. Thank you for listening.